Esto es una prueba en español.
Guten Tag.
Hola. You are buried under my feet. It was you who started the war. I don't regret what I did. And now who is knocking on the door?
Is anybody looking? Hmm? Is anybody watching? Come here, you fat little bastard! Stop your whining! Nobody cries in the ice cream van! You are disgusting! I can't put you in my ice cream! You taste like shit! I know where you live. I know where you work. Oh, my plan is going perfectly. Soon there will be no one left.
I think here I had already cleaned before. Clean, clean. This is dirty. Really dirty. Intruder, intruder in sight. A little human has escaped. Error, error. Out of my zone. Peep, sound the alarm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is good here. No, this is messy. No, peep.
What?
Get back here! Ow. Where's my screwdriver? Where is it? Stupid carburetor. Ow! Oh. I dropped that Phillips head. Where's it at? Oh, why is it so tight? Oh, I wonder if Tesla makes ice cream vans. This is ridiculous. Oh, stupid. Ugh. Oh, there it is. Not so bad. Oh, gotta change the oil. Gotta make sure the air pressure in the tires is good. I don't have time for this crap. I gotta make some ice cream. I'm an ice cream maker.
All good over there? Perfect. We continue with the plan. Hey, Mike! I've seen something suspicious. Near here, there's a lot of food waste. Here we go again. Let's go! Let's rescue the others. This time I'm gonna get it. Ooh, yes!
Maybe there's kind of a giant kitchen around here.
Jay!
Let's go. In this factory, I don't stop falling.
This place brings me back joyful memories. Now, where are those fat little chubby bastards? Well, well, well. The mini rods are doing a spectacular job. Well done, mini rods. Mini rod, get after them. Come on, you. What do I pay you for? Oink, oink, oink. You're not gonna get that far, you little pig. Run! Run with those fat little legs. You're not going to get that far. Chubby kid, stop running away and go back to your cage. Ah!
Okay, well, in that case, I have something very important to do first. Oh, how disgusting cold. What? Here again? What? Here again? Jay, I'm still here. I'll do what I can. Jay, I'm still here. I'll do what I can. Yes, I'm on it. Spectacular! Well, it seems like I will have to escape by myself. I think I need a plan. At least this kitchen looks harmless. Maybe I could even eat some... Oh, God. Where are my friends? Why don't they come rescue me?
Charlie, calm down. Everything is under control. Charlie, calm down. Everything is under control. Charlie, calm down. Everything is under control. Charlie, calm down. Everything is under control.
Charlie!
Fantastic!
Great, we're back together.
Oh, man. Whew.
Well, now we just need to find Liz. Charlie could also be there. We need to reunite with everyone. It's the only way to give Rod what he deserves. We better stay focused, you hear me? Wait a minute. Isn't that Charlie?
Then I'll sign autographs for you at my factory. Thank you. Thank you. I don't deserve so many compliments.
Fine. Jay and I are going to start. Don't take too long. Jay, bring me these items. They don't have to be pretty. There we go. Perfect. Oh, a rebel padlock, huh? No problem. Well, I think this'll help you. Take it. I could tell for all that amount of food that these pipes lead to a place where candy is cooked day and night nonstop. She's so sweet, she'll probably blend in with all that candy, though. Liz is hidden in that place for sure. Yeah, that's Charlie.
Good morning. I'm Sister Philippa, the abbess of this school's order. It's been a while since I got some news about this place, and as you may understand, I had no choice other than...
You are buried under my feet. It was you who started the war. I don't regret what I did. And now who is knocking on the door? Listen to these words. Here you will stay. From this moment on, you will be my slave. Kill him! 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 here you will stay. From this moment on, you will be my slave. Well, it seems I have no more room in here. Maybe I can fit just one more ironing board.
Madeline!
Philippa, I think the idea of doing laundry... Ah!
I hope they don't do any mischief. Hey, little cook, be more careful with your food. Where has the chubby boy gone? Chubby human. I don't want fat rats like you in my kitchen. Good, good, good. Ha ha ha. Go to sleep. Hey you. Oh. I'm going to keep checking the cooks. What are you doing? Don't ever mix the ingredients wrong. I think I've seen something. What's going on here? They are working a bit slowly.
I think those cables should be fixed. The most delicious ingredient in the world. Energy levels have dropped a bit. I think I'm missing a bolt. Ha ha ha. I think it smells pretty good. Tasty. Yummy, yummy.